Most money habit lists are noise. 20 tips, 40 rules, and by the end you feel busy, but nothing in your bank account has moved. The truth is simpler and a bit annoying. Only 3 habits actually build wealth, and the rest are decoration. So let's throw out the noise and keep the 3 that pull real weight. First, understand what a habit even does. A habit removes the daily fight. You don't decide every morning to brush your teeth. You just do it. Money works the same way. If you rely on willpower to be good with money, you will lose, because willpower runs out by Tuesday. So the trick is to build habits that work while you are tired, bored, or broke. That is the whole game. Habit 1. Pay yourself first automatically. Most people spend, then try to save whatever survives. Nothing survives. Life eats it. So you flip the order. The moment money lands, a slice moves out before you can touch it. Set up a standing order the day after payday. Even 10 pounds counts because you are not really saving 10 pounds. You are proving to your brain that saving happens without you. Once it is automatic, you stop feeling it. The money leaves before it becomes yours emotionally. Start small and raise it slowly. Every time you get a pay rise, push a little more into that automatic slice before your spending grows to fill the gap. That gap is where wealth quietly lives. Now, where does that money go? This is where people freeze. They save into a normal account, earn almost nothing, and give up. Do not just park it. Put it somewhere it can grow. In the UK, an ISA lets your money grow without tax nibbling at it. That matters more than people think. A little bit invested over many years does something that feels like magic but is just maths. It is called compounding. Your money earns a return, then that return earns its own return, then that earns more. Slow at the start, then it bends upward like a hill turning into a cliff. Time does the heavy lifting, not the amount. Someone who starts at 20 with small sums often beats someone who starts at 35 with big ones. That is why the boring habit of starting early beats the exciting habit of trying to get rich fast. Which brings us to habit 2. Spend on purpose, not on autopilot. This is not about cutting every treat and living on beans. That advice fails because it feels like punishment, and punishment never lasts. Instead, aim your money at what you actually care about. Most of your wasted money is not the fun stuff. It is the quiet stuff. Subscriptions you forgot. A phone plan double what it should be. Little payments that leave silently every month and give you nothing. So once a year, do a boring afternoon. Open your bank statement and read every recurring payment out loud. You will find money leaking that you can plug in 10 minutes. Then take the biggest 3 costs in your life. Rent, transport, and food, usually. Getting one of those a bit cheaper beats skipping 50 coffees. Big levers move more than small ones. When you cut something you never missed, feed that savings straight into your automatic slice from habit 1. See how they link? Each habit powers the next. Habit 3 is the quiet one, and it is the most powerful. Avoid expensive debt like it is on fire. Not all debt is equal. A sensible mortgage is one thing, but high-interest debt, the credit card kind, works against you the exact way investing works for you. Compounding in reverse, the card charges you interest, then interest on that interest, and it grows while you sleep, but it grows against you. Paying off a card charging 20% is like earning 20% guaranteed, which no investment safely promises. So before you chase clever investments, kill the expensive debt first. That is the highest return move available to almost anyone. And once it is gone, protect yourself so you never fall back in. Build a small buffer, a few £100, then a month of cost, sitting in an easy access account. That buffer is boring. It also stops one flat tire turning into a credit card spiral. Most people go into debt not because they overspend, but because a surprise hit them with zero cushion. The cushion is the habit. So there they are. Pay yourself first automatically. Spend on purpose. Avoid expensive debt. Notice what is missing. No stock tips, no side hustle that eats your weekends, no secret the rich are hiding. These 3 are dull, and dull is the point, because dull is repeatable. Exciting money moves burn out. Boring ones compound. Here's the trap to watch. You will feel the urge to add more habits, to optimize, to track 40 numbers in a spreadsheet. Resist it. Complexity feels productive and does nothing. A person doing these 3 badly beats a person planning 15 perfectly. Do not aim for perfect. Aim for automatic. Set up the standing order this week. Read your subscriptions this month. Point your next spare 50 at whatever debt costs you most. That is the whole plan, and it fits on a napkin. Money does not reward the clever. It rewards the consistent. Pick one of the 3 and start it today, then let boring do its work. If this made money feel a little less noisy, subscribe and I will keep drawing the simple version.